students, welcome you all to our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now. I promise to complete your syllabus and would like to solve all your queries which you may kindly drop in the comment box. So dear students, in my last sessions we have discussed about surface area, lateral surface area of cube and cuboid. Today we continue with volume of cube and cuboid. Volume of cube and cuboid. Volume of cube and cuboid. Okay, what is volume of a cube or cuboid? Volume means a solid object is the measure of the space occupied by it is called volume of the object. Suppose this is a cuboid. Then volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height. Let L, B, H be the dimension of the cuboid. Let L, B and H be the dimension of the cuboid. Then volume of the cuboid is volume of the cuboid is V is equal to L into B into H, where L is equal to length, B is equal to breadth, and H is equal to height of the cuboid. Okay, or you know, I have already told you the cuboid is a solid in which they have 6 faces and all the faces are rectangles. The basic difference between cuboid and cube is the cube is also a solid object in which the 6 faces are square. In case of cuboid, all the 6 faces are rectangles. Then volume of the cuboid is length into breadth into height. Okay. Then let us discuss about volume of a cube. Then this is volume of a cuboid. This is volume of a cuboid. Then let us discuss about volume of a cube. The volume of a cube. Let us draw. This is a cube. In a cube, the all 6 faces are the square. Okay, means the length equal to breadth equal to height. Then this is a cube. This is a cube and this is a cuboid. This is a cuboid and this is a cube. The basic difference in cube and cuboid is, in case of cuboid, all 6 faces are rectangles. In case of cube, all 6 faces are square. In this case, in case of cube, length equal to breadth equal to height, and the volume of the cube is volume of the cube is V is equal to L into L into L, which is equal to L cube, where L equal to length of its side. Okay. Then V is equal to L cube in case of cube, and in case of cuboid, V is equal to L into B into H. By using this formula, we can find out if we have breadth and height and we have volume. Then by using this formula, we can find out L is equal to V upon B into H. And if we have L and H, V is equal to L into H and H is equal to V upon L into B. Okay. Then here, if we have volume, then we can find out length of the side by L is equal to cube root of V. Okay. Then next, I have already told students, please practice variety of questions which will be helpful for you in exam. Always practice questions. Only knowing formula is not much for for do the problems in exam. Here is the questions given. A matchbox have the dimension. A matchbox is in the form of a cuboid. A matchbox is in the form of a cuboid. Here is a matchbox. This is a matchbox, and its dimension is given. Its dimension is given 4, 2.5, 1.5. The matchbox has the dimension 4 centimeter into 2.5 into 2.5 into 1.5. This means this is the dimension of the matchbox. This means length of the matchbox is 4 centimeter. Then breadth is equal to 2.5 centimeter. And height is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Here the questions, at first try to understand the questions properly. The question is said, a matchbox have the dimension this, is packed in a box. The box contains 12 such boxes. The pack contains 12 such boxes. Then what is the measure of the pack? What is the measure of the box which contains 12 such packets? A matchbox have this dimension, and there is a box which contains 12 matchboxes, which contains, this pack contains 12 matchboxes. Then what is the dimension of the, what is the volume of this pack? Okay. Then this contains 12 boxes. 12 boxes. Okay. Then here at first find out the volume of each box. Then here volume of the matchbox is volume of the matchbox, which is in the form of cuboid. Matchbox B is equal to L into B into H, which is equal to 4 into 2.5, 4 into 2.5 into 1.5, which is equal to 15 centimeter cube. Then volume of the box is 15 centimeter cube. But here the question says this pack contains 12 such boxes. This pack contains 12 such boxes. Then what is the volume of the pack? Volume, the packet contains 12 boxes. 12 boxes. Then volume of the pack is equal to 12 into 15, which is equal to 180 centimeter cube. Okay. Then here in the questions, the volume of the pack is 180 centimeter cube. Okay, final. Then next question. Here the next question said, volume of the cuboid is given and area of its base is given. Find the height. Look at here. Here volume of this is the cuboid. Okay. This is the cuboid in which its volume is already given. This is the cuboid which volume is already given. Volume of the cuboid. Example. Here volume of the cuboid is equal to 440 centimeter cube. 440 centimeter cube. And the area of its base is given, is equal to, area of its base is equal to 88 centimeter square. Okay. Then here we have to find out height. We have to find out height. As you know, students, volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Here area of the base, area of its base means this. This is length, this is breadth, and this is height. Then area of the base is equal to area of the base is equal to L into B, which is equal to 88 centimeter square. Then here H is equal to V upon L into B, which is equal to 440 upon 88, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Then here we get height of this cuboid is 5 centimeter. Okay, sorry, 50 centimeter. No, 88. No, 5 centimeter. Okay, sorry, 5 centimeter. Then here another questions. Here the capacity of a cuboidal tank. Here the question says the capacity of the tank is given. What is the capacity of the tank? Capacity of the tank means the volume of the tank which contains the amount of water in it. Here the capacity of the tank, cuboidal tank, the tank is in the form of a cuboid. Suppose this is the tank which is in the form of a cuboid. In the form of a cuboid, its capacity is given. Here the question says capacity of the tank. Capacity of the tank is equal to 50,000 liter. 50,000 liters. Capacity of the tank is equal to 50,000 liters. Okay, 50,000 liters. Then here capacity of the tank is given 50,000 liters. Then its breadth of the tank and its length. Breadth, here the question is asked. We don't know what is breadth, but length of the tank is given. Length is 2.5 meter. Length is 2.5 meter, and depth means height. Depth is equal to, this is 2.5 meter, and depth is equal to 10 meter, and depth is equal to 10 meter. Okay. Then here, as we know that volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Then B is equal to V upon L into H. Okay. Then what is V here? Here volume is given in the form of liters. As we know that 1000 liter is equal to, as we know that 1000 liter capacity is equal to 1 meter cube, which is equal to 1 meter cube. Then 50,000 liter means volume of the tank is equal to 50 meter cube. Volume of the tank is equal to 50 meter cube. We know what is the value, the amount of volume. This is 50 meter cube, and length and height is already given. Then B is breadth is equal to V upon L into H. Here V is equal to 50 and L is equal to 2.5 and height is equal to 10. Then by solving this we get breadth is equal to 2 meter. Here length of the tank is 2.5 meter. Then breadth is equal to 2 meter and depth is equal to 10 meter. Okay. Then another questions. I have already told you students, please practice all your worksheet and ask me in your doubt in my comment box. Here the question says, how many 3 meter cubes can be cut from a cuboid measuring 18, 12, 9? Here the cuboid is given having the dimension. Here the cuboid Suppose this is the cuboid. It is very necessary, students, please do the diagram properly when you do the mensurations. It looks better, it creates the impression of the examiner. Here the cuboid, here the cuboid is of dimension, cuboid of dimension is equal, dimension is 18 meter into 12 meter into 9 meter. Here this is the dimension of this given cuboid. The question is asked, how many cubes can be cut from the cuboid of dimension 3 meter? Means the cube can be cut from this cuboid, the cube can be cut from this cuboid whose dimension is given 3 meter. Means the length, breadth and height of the cube is 3 meter. Okay. Then at first we have to find out volume of the cuboid. Then find the volume of the cube. Then by dividing V by V, capital V by small v, we get the number of cubes cut from the cuboid. Okay. Here the cubes can be cut from this cuboid, Then how many number of cubes can be cut from this cuboid? Then here volume of the cuboid is, V is, capital V is equal to length into breadth into height, which is equal to 18 into 12 into 9. By multiplying this, we get this is equal to 1944 meter cube. Okay. Then this is 1944 meter cube. Then suppose this is here. Then here we have to find out, and the cube have the dimension, 3 meter. Then volume of the cube, small v of the cube is equal to L into L into L, means L cube is equal to 3 cube, which is equal to 27 meter cube. Then here the number of cubes cut from the cuboid, is equal to capital V upon small v, which is 1944 upon 27. By dividing this, we get 72. Here 72 number of cubes can be cut from the cuboid. Okay. Thank you, students. Today this much. In my next sessions we will continue with this. We will discuss more and more questions. Till then, happy learning. Thank you.